Hello, friends. Welcome. Today we are going to take a look at what we managed to capture during our travels. This journey took us through Poland and Baku. We only passed through Poland briefly, but even this short stop offered some interesting moments. There, we noticed a large number of crows sitting in the trees. There were so many of them that they immediately caught our attention. The birds filled the branches, creating a constant background of sound. At that time, the weather was gloomy and overcast, which only added to the atmosphere of the scene. Our next stop was Baku. Here, a completely different landscape opens up, the Caspian Sea. Along the shoreline, we observed flocks of ducks staying close to the water. Above them, swallows could also be seen, flying low and fast. That day in Baku was extremely windy. This is clearly visible in the waves. The ducks seemed to ride them, almost as if taking wind baths. The weather in Baku has its own character. As a coastal city, strong winds are common here, and at times they are so powerful that simply walking along the streets becomes difficult. We also managed to film seagulls. Despite the strong wind and high waves, they moved confidently across the water, skillfully navigating the rough conditions. Nearby, a dark-colored duck can also be seen, calmly swimming among the waves. All of this was taking place near a large shopping center. Another important part of this journey is, of course, the cats. There are many of them in Baku. They live freely on the streets, and special places are created for them where they can rest and stay warm. This is especially noticeable in the old city area. Here you can see specially built cat shelters. A ginger cat sits calmly inside one of them, quietly watching passers-by. He clearly isn't hungry. There's plenty of food nearby, and the cats are well cared for. Nearby appears his companion, a black cat. Unlike the ginger one, he doesn't want to stay in one place. Instead, he keeps walking around, exploring and searching for something. And of course, there are birds here as well. Suddenly, the area fills with noise, loud calls, movement, and constant activity. Looking more closely, it becomes clear that these are not crows, but magpies. They fly back and forth between the trees, calling to one another, as if engaged in an ongoing conversation. These brief yet vivid moments filled with movement, sound, and detail, create the true atmosphere of travel, where wildlife lives side by side with people, becoming a natural part of the urban landscape.
That's all. See you soon. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos, and give us a like.